morning, Deirdre Stoker, Vaillancourt with Meybohm Realtors, downtown Aiken. We are here at the last of the 5 cottages that we've just done a visual tour for you. This is the laundry house, and it really was the original laundry house. When the owners bought it, there were the old linen presses and ironing boards, which belonged to the original 1929 house. So please come on through and see how this has been converted into a charming living space. We walk right inside, and Alexa will take you right into what is functioning as this lovely living room. Again, one of the features of these houses is the old flooring, restored old flooring, lovely natural light. All the windows look out onto something green. You're never looking out onto any kind of industrial anything. You see nothing but green and lovely trees from the beautiful landscaping that surrounds this whole estate. There's an electric fireplace here, which keeps it particularly nice and cozy when it's a wintry day. To our left out here is a breezeway, which has the original ironwork gates, and it can be used as a side entrance. It's a nice little outdoor covered area. If the weather's bad, it can have a barbecue out there, a grill. And again, you're looking out into the old established garden. We'll walk through, and you can peek out through this door, which takes you to a lovely old tile, another outdoor living area, and see where you could possibly sit again, morning coffee, and enjoy being in a lovely neighborhood. The birds are singing at all times of the year. Nice kitchen, big enough for a sit-in breakfast table, dining table as such. They've kept all of the old counters, or all of the old cabinetry, and you can see with some of the old, what do we call these, Alexa? Old brass fixtures, which are particularly lovely, I think. And then all of the kitchen equipment has been updated, and the owners pride themselves on putting in the highest quality. It has a full dishwasher, gas stove, and a large oversized Electrolux refrigerator and freezer. Let's go upstairs and see the bedrooms. As we go up, we see a lovely spacious master, king-size bed, lovely dormer windows, modern lighting, and I think it shows to be such a comfortable living area for anybody that comes to Aiken, which is why they've been so popular as luxury rentals. This house allows the opportunity to be added onto, and the current owners have sought planning permission to build approximately 1,000 square feet off the back side of this property to give it more living space. And that's a very interesting, I think, opportunity for somebody that wants more than a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house. If you'll follow me in, you'll see there's a smaller guest room up top, room for a lovely day bed and little desk. The view outside again is down out over the courtyard and the formal gated entrance to the estate. And then we go into the 1 bathroom, which has been updated. They have used all kinds of tiles. It gives it a really interesting eclectic mix. It has a tub and a shower. So when you're coming in from an active day, either fox hunting or walking in the Hitchcock Woods, you can soak and have a nice bath in the tub or have a very nice warm shower. Again, this is just another example of what Two Trees Estate offers in this section C of the rental cottages. I hope you've enjoyed your tour today. Please look at these as many times as you want and contact me at my office. You can reach me at 803-640-4591. Deirdre. Thank you.